Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to know if someone unadded or deleted you on Snapchat. So for that we just have to go on our Snapchat app, then go to chat, and then from here go to a friend that you think that may removed you or deleted you. So click on that and then click on their profile. And then here, if you don't see the friendship score, then that means that he removed you. For example, this 53 score. And then if we go back, I will show you what it looks like if he doesn't have you on their friends list. So let's search for a random person. And if I click on this person, as you can see, I cannot see their score or their username. I can just click on add friend. So this is how you can tell if someone unadded you or deleted you on Snapchat. So yeah guys, I hope you liked this video and I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts and you can also subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.